our quick little blurb here, make sure we got our coffee, everything ready. I'm going to pass along a copy paste for an import. This is going to be to record local date time from your computer to a text file. This isn't some fancy plug and play widget. It'll take a little bit time to set up. We will need to create a text file somewhere where you keep your OBS stuff. Start off, we'll import using the copy paste. It's going to bring in two things here. I'm just going to import it all. One is going to be set up to a trigger that we have not set up yet. To set up triggers, we're going to go into settings, timed actions. We're going to set up a new timed action. It can be called whatever the heck you want it to be. I'm going to set mine up to run every 60 seconds. Now that that's set up, we can just go into our time action, double click, set it up to our timed action. This doesn't have to be a timed action. It could be anything. You could have it set up to a button. You can have it set up to a channel point redeem, anything. Now I want you to go into our file here, local time, get time protocol. We're going to go into the execute code. Up here, this is my current save location. In between the parentheses, this is where you're going to place where you want your file saved. This is something that you need to change and put specific to your computer. Once done, we will save and compile. That's it. If you want to first do a test trigger, you'll be able to go into your files. I'll just have to find mine. There. And that's what the file that it's creating. All it is creating is bring it out over here. A file that says what time it is, and it's going to update every, for me, I set it 60 seconds. It could be 30 seconds. It could be however often you wish. To set it up, we created a scene. I have one preset up because I wanted to have a microphone already going. We're going to add a text right there. CpkV. From here, we're going to read from a local file, and this is going to be the same file location that you saved in the execute code. That's the file we just created, and it now has our date time. It is running 60 seconds from when the trigger starts. You'll notice that I do not have seconds running. It's because it's only being triggered every 60 seconds. So for me, I cover up the seconds.